Hi everyone, today is September 17, 2020. I'm in the Best Buy, Arlington, Texas, and I just got my GoPro 9. So surprisingly, it's out earlier than expected. I said it's in October, but you know, it's in mid-September right now. Just so excited to get it. So I have it with me. I'm gonna share it with you and when I unbox it. And here we go. Gonna unbox it here. See what we got. Here it is. It's the case. Gonna open it up. Whoa, this is beauty. Here it is. It's in the plastic and some accessories. I think this is the battery and some I think for the mounting and wires, the USB wires. So this is it. Just want to share it with you guys. I'm just so excited. I just got it right now today, so I wasn't expected to come out early, but here it is. So I'm gonna try it out and check if it's really worth it.